How to comment photo in TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can comment photo in TikTok. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to comment a video or a photo in the particular TikTok, for example, this one right here on my screen, and after you have logged in, you'll be able to see your For You page where you'll be finding a bunch of different videos on your screen. So you're just gonna look up for the video where you want to comment a photo on. For example, this one right here on my screen. I'm just gonna tap on this comment section and normally go on with the process on how we normally comment. But we don't really have a comment option where we can directly post a photo, but what we can do instead here is tap on this reply option. Instead of the direct comment, we can reply to other people as a photo or a video. So we're just going to click on this reply option, and when you click on it, you'll be finding this video option beside the replying to this dash person. So we're just going to click on this video section, and then here we'll be taken to another page where we are able to comment a video or a photo. So I'm just gonna go on with the process of commenting a photo. You just need to click on this photo section, or either click a video photo at the moment, or you may just click at this gallery from where you can directly post the picture that you already have in gallery, and particular photo will be posted. Just tap on next and it will take you to the photo, and tap on post, and that particular photo will be posted on that comment. Just wait for it to be posted first. And then you also need to give your access to your Facebook account that is linked with your TikTok. After that, whenever you head over to that particular video, you'll be finding your photo below that particular video as a reply, and the video will be also available on your profile. So that's how you basically add a photo onto your TikTok videos. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.